I've got to change the line on my weed eater, and I thought I'd bring you along and show you how I do it. First thing I do is unscrew the cap so I can get the reel off. Turns counterclockwise. Take that out and pull the reel out. There's a spring underneath there and you don't want to lose that. It should stay in there. And you can see this is empty. Now I've done this many times before and measured out. It takes 12 feet of the line to fill the reel. So I measure out 12 feet. I want to take the old line out. I just push that up and it pulls right out. And then I'll take the new line and I'm going to put it one end through and the other end through and pull it through. You want to be careful that you don't kink it. Got that all the way through. And then on the reel, it says rewind line, and there's an arrow pointing this way. So I want to go around this way. And I try to keep the line from twisting, so when I'm running it, it unspools smooth. So I just kind of feed it on like that. I want to work it so it's even and not heavy on one side. There's little grooves on the bottom side. And take one line, put it in that groove, and then go to 180 degree opposite side, put that in the groove, and we're ready to reinstall it. Then we just take it, and you can see there's a hole here that it feeds through and one on the opposite side. And I feed the line in the one side. Pull it down a little bit. Feed the line in the other side. And just feed it down through. Now you want to be careful. See how that twisted underneath? It popped out. You got to make sure that stays with the spool on the top. And we got it down, on. Put the cap back on. And that's how you rethread the line on a weed eater. If this video was a help to you, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't already, please consider subscribing. And I look forward to helping you with other projects online.